In this project, we developed a BCI-based fidget spinner for mental health neurofeedback applications. The goal is to provide an accessible and attractive tool for neurofeedback therapy, which can improve users' ability to monitor and regulate their brain activity. This circuit is constructed on a protoboard that integrates all the necessary components. The DC motor is connected to an L293 op-amp, serving as a signal amplifier. This configuration is then linked to an Arduino Nano, which transmits digital commands to other components. To house the entire setup, a medium-density fiberboard box is used, providing a secure and organized enclosure. The prototype employed the OpenBCI side-on board and Ultra-Cortex Mark IV headset to capture EEG data via an 8-channel setup following the international 1020 system. These signals, samped at 250 Hz, were transmitted through serial communication to the OpenBCI software for processing. Real-time analysis utilized the focus widget algorithm, employing classification models to gauge concentration levels. Concentration data was sent via serial communication to an Arduino Nano. Concentration above 0.5 activates the DC motor, indicating a strong focus, while lower values kept it inactive. Simultaneously, the Arduino Nano processed data to control the DC motor's movement based on the user's concentration levels. The EEG data were then analyzed to uncover attentions and learning patterns using MATLAB and the EEG Lab toolbox, with spectral density radios indicating attention levels. After preprocessing involving filtering, artifact removal, ICA, and the PREP pipeline, PSD values for FP1 and FP2 electrodes across alpha, beta, and theta bands were computed using the 1-second windows. The experiment comprised 3 stages. First, acquisition of baseline EEG signals with the person's eyes closed for 2 minutes. Then, focusing on a spinner point with concentrated effort to move it as long as possible within 2 minutes. And finally, 3 attempts to move the spinner, each lasting more than 50 seconds, within a 2-minute interval. Participants displayed a learning curve with increasing spins in successive attempts. Elevate PSD radios reflecting attention were common on day 2 or day 3, potentially linked to user mastery. Consistent behavior was observed in the engagement index and beta-theta radios for FP1 and FP2 electrodes, with occasional variation. Statistical analysis via 2-sample t-tests compared trial subjects and days, yielding significant difference among trials. Day 1 had higher significance than later days, indicating distinct brain signals behavior during these periods. This project offers a proposal to the problem of inattention and emotional regulation in those suffering of brain affections such as lack of concentration and attention deficit disorder through a neurofeedback device.